Hello gardeners, today I will be sharing the best method and the easiest one to grow Syngonium plants from whichever condition you have. Although you will find Syngoniums, this is a plant, this one, and you can see I brought a cutting from my lawn. You can see this one. The roots are there but they are not well formed, and this is the most precious one, that is the runner of Syngonium. You can see the new leaf coming out from this node. So at all the nodes there will be some root growth available there. Syngonium also have a bulb when it is matured, but I have not uprooted a bulb. I don't want to disturb that section. So I will be putting the Syngonium plant in this container. For preparing soil, you just need to add 70%. The soil mixture in this one has to be 60% soil and 40% sand with some cow dung and organic fertilizer. And for a detailed video, you can always go to the description section. I will link the video there. So first you need to fill the pot up to the extent you want and adjust the size. See, I need some more potting mix. Also, we need to decide how to place the rhizome here. So I will be placing it here, and in between the two plants will be there. So I need to fill the potting mix. This one is good enough. Now you need to see the roots will be very tangled, because the climber of Syngonium also grows once the support is provided, like in money plant. I will demonstrate that in another video. Now just keep the plant in the soil and then pour the soil from every side. Like this. Now wait, because we need to adjust this one also. As told earlier, I will be keeping this in circumference area. Like this. If some portion are not in soil also, then also there is no issue, because the shoot will come from there also, but it will take some more time. Like this, slowly place all the potting mix. The Syngonium can also be grown in the water. So if anybody wishes to grow in water or glass container to be kept on the dining table or the fridge holders, they can always do that. Syngonium are very, very easy to grow plants and has got too many properties in terms of purifying the air and the environment, and it is a must for each and every household. Like this, potting mix has been placed. I filled the pot. I will adjust everything now. It is done. It's time to water it gently. The drainage should be very good, and the fertilizer must contain nitrogen in large quantity, and potassium, phosphorus are not much required, but you can always give them for the best functioning of the plant. I water it. I will be keeping it in shade for 1 day and then out in the high sun. The more the sun will be there, the more variations will be there on the leaf. Like there are some complaints like the leaf structure have just the white, not the white color but the green color. So the amount of heat decides that. The more heat is there, more sunlight is there, the more with the white and the green section in equal proportions. The variations will be very good in the intense sun. So try planting this plant with this method and let me know your views. Till then, I would like to request you all to please like my video and also subscribe my channel to support me and my efforts. Till then, keep gardening, be happy. These are the 2 syngonium plants which I planted in October month of last year, and I'm damn sure the roots must have formed very nicely. I will be uprooting it and I will be showing you. You can see I'm washing it with water and then coming. You can see the well formed roots, and you must see this one and the plantlets which are will be coming. So the March and the February are 2 best months for all the gardeners. You can see there are a lot many plantlets which are trying to come up. That's all with this video.